Hello everyone, I am Doc Ian. I am a newborn photographer and a newborn photography instructor at Newborn Academy for Photographers Philippines. Today I share to you this amazing AI photo editing app, EVOTO AI. I have been using this app for over 3 months now, and it has significantly transformed my workflow, reducing my editing time by more than 50%. With EVOTO, I can transform my image from this to this in just one click. And I can synchronize those changes across multiple images with one click. This is truly revolutionary and amazing. Hello, so now you know who I am, and now you know why I'm so in love with EVOTO. This is a playlist, a video series to help you get started on EVOTO and how to use it. So first things first, you can go to their website. It's evoto.ai, wherein you can download the desktop application for free. Just download the free trial of this software, and once you've downloaded it, you can install it in your computer, be it a Windows or a Mac computer. The next thing that you have to do is to create your account, because how EVOTO works is that you have to buy credits. You can use the app freely, but you need credits when you want to export the changes that you've made in your photographs. So after downloading and installing the software, do check out my personal link. It's in the description, because if you click that link, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can sign up for a new account. And all new accounts using my link will get 30 free credits. 30 free credits so that you can play around and try what EVOTO is all about. That is awesome. That is really awesome. All right. So when you open up EVOTO, this is what you will see. This is the main window of the app. So take note that as of recording this video, this is EVOTO 3.1.1-2. That's the version of EVOTO. And what I'll be sharing to you is my workflow. This is my personal workflow. And like Photoshop and all other editing apps, there are a lot of things to go about one thing that you want to do. So there are a million ways to achieve one thing, and this is how I do it, and I hope this will be helpful to you. My workflow is in Capture One, wherein I import my Fuji RAW or raw files into Capture One. Simply put, if I want to maximize Fuji's raw and RAW files, Capture One is the best out there to date. Lightroom is getting close, but Capture One is still better for me. So I edit my photos roughly in Capture One, and then I export them as TIFF files for editing in EVOTO. So you can also export them in JPEGs. I've tried exporting them in JPEG. EVOTO handles it perfectly well. I just prefer doing TIFF and having all the data that I need in case I have to do drastic editing from time to time. Not that much, all right? So here in EVOTO, just create a new project. So we'll put this as EVOTO demonstration. And from there, I place my files in my folder for editing. You just open that folder up, and EVOTO will load all of the images as such, as you can see in your screen. All right. And the beauty of EVOTO is that it is so beginner friendly, and you don't even have to be an expert in editing to use it. I will show you what got me started with EVOTO. It's this simple thing over here. In EVOTO, you have your presets windows, wherein you have a lot of presets from different photographers or from different developers. And those presets themselves are really kind of amazing by themselves. There's a lot of presets here. Glowing 2. So see the difference. So if you put on the space bar, you see the before and the after. There's maternity, and there's baby and child, like that. So see how it cleans everything like that at a simple click. And almost everything that you need to do is over here. And my favorite here is high end 01. And look at the difference when I click on high-end 01 there. So the blotchiness are cleaned, there's added contrast and what have you. And I do have my personal preset. I will do this in one of the videos, in the last video, but basically you can fine-tune these presets according to taste. All right, so that is exporting your files in EVOTO. Next, on the next part of this video, I'll teach you all about the different panels and options in your EVOTO window.